So for example, there is some year column is there, otherwise there is something is like country column is there. Like in year, I want to some which the particular area in the 90s or maybe 2020 or 2000, which is a year of that. What is the maximum vector, multiple vector? Then our next exercise we go to see that. So here is something extracting the multiple elements is there here. So we have the task pane of the left to complete each submission of the task at the same time. So here is some vectors is x is equal to some vectors is there. So in that we have to find out that create a row and vector name that is in the name of the IDX and containing the elements of 2 and 4. So basically we have to create one vector and we can find out the elements in 2 and 4. Then the name is IDX is equal to, we want to find elements 2 and 4. So we can use the square bracket 2 comma 4. Why? Because they're asking the task, they have to create the row as a vector named is IDX. Then we are creating the IDX and containing that elements 2 and 4. So I'm taking the 2 and 4. The next level, they're asking to task 1, you have to use the variable IDX again. IDX, the index of this vector, index of the vector, the second and fourth elements of x, the store the result in x of 24. So then x of 24 means x of 24 is equal to x of, then it is like my IDX. So I have to create the storing the result of x of 24 in the element of x, the use of variable IDX. The next they're asking now extract the 4th and 7th and 9th elements from the x without creating the separate variable to store the IDX, store in the results in x4 79. In similar case, then I have to use same, that is they're using x of 479. Yes, I'm using x of 479. Sorry, x of 479. Sorry, 479 is equal to x of, I'm using the square brackets again, 4, 7 and 9. There is a now extract the 4th and 7th elements using of x. Is not asking without is the creating a separate variable. So that's why I'm using the small bracket and square brackets without creating the separate variable. So see, like whenever I'm typing, then in the left side they're getting that answer. If you want to see like whether I'm this is correct or not, you can see that variable, whether the variable is x of 479 that I'm creating one by one. This is my like maybe variable of this result. So next they're asking the like extract of the last 3 elements of x in the order without creating. Again, without creating means we can use the small brackets and square brackets to variable store the IDX. Use the keywords of the end, your command, store results in x of last 3. Then I'm using x of last 3. Again, x of power bracket square bracket. Till they're asking n. Again, it is n minus 1 and n. Last three they're asking. Last three means end 0 means 0, -1, -2. This is the last. See, if you want to, like, this variable is properly stored at 1, 2, 3. There is a last three values. This is the last three values.